Hello friends. Our today's topic name is um, abstraction and encapsulation. Um, Both are the features of OOPS, that is object oriented programming language. Both concept are the same, because both are hides the information, but the concept and methods are different. First, let's see the first, abstraction. Abstraction is nothing but the hiding a data which is unnecessary, which is not required for users. Mm, let's see some example. The best example is a remote, which is used in our daily life. In this remote, the users do not know the internal functions of this remote. It knows only the signs on the remotes, which is for changing the channel, increasing the volume, but the internal function is does not know to um, a user. This is the best example. In the abstract method, only one method is abstract. In abstract method, when the when the method is abstract, then the class is also abstract. The abstract class contains one or more than one or two abstract methods. um, Abstract methods. Some Let's see some do's and don'ts in the abstract method. uh, Do's in abstract method. First one is when the method is abstract, then class is also abstract. Only one method of a class is abstract, then class is also abstract. The abstract keyword is only used before the method and class. It is does not used before the constructors and variables. Mm, mm, Second, the the final keyword is not used. The abstract keyword is not used before the final methods or variables or constructors. And does The only one method is abstract. um, Abstract. When the method is abstract, then class is also abstract. We can declare the local inner class as an abstract. We declare the abstract method with the thrown clause. Second is a encapsulation. Encapsulation means different variables, methods, constructors can be encapsulated in a single unit, is known as encapsulation. Best example of encapsulation is a capsule, which includes the different types of medicine in it. But we don't know what are the different types of medicines in it. In this way, the different types of um, methods, variables, constructors are encapsulated in a single unit, um, is known as encapsulation. It is also used to hide the information from the user, which is not necessary to show the user. um, Encapsulation. That's it. Thank you.